It's gonna be hot, dude.
That's pretty bad.
It's pretty hot.
Oh yeah.
Is it hot?
Yeah, that's good work.
You're doing good. You're doing good, dude. Is it really that? Is that it?
Yeah. Can I have some water or something?
It's really not that spicy?
It's good. It's a good burn.
I'm surprised you're not like on fire right now.
I think he is.
I think he is. We need to get some water.
No, you don't. He gets some milk.
Come on, Justin.
Good work.
Is that hot? It's pretty hot.
Yeah.
I think he's about to die. Turn the light on, Chris.
It's not the light.
Not bad.
Just fucking pour the milk.
Just fucking pour the milk. I want to go. My turn?
Do it.
Which one?
The red one. Dude, I'll never do it, but do it.
I'll try it. Why not? If Justin can do it, I can do it.
Fuck yes.
As long as it doesn't make me have a heart attack.
Nope, that's Karina.
This is a big red one. Is it that bad?
Just crush it. All in one
That bad,
bite.
dude.
No, look at him. He's fine.
It's pretty bad, isn't
It's
it?
bad milk.
He's getting more milk.
Well, of course you're gonna get more real. It's a habanero. Just eat another. Just eat it, dude. All those muscles.
My asshole tomorrow.
Dude, all those muscles will make it feel so much better.
We're gonna go buy another gallon. Is it that bad?
No.
Dude, get away from the. Dude,
My God.
No, just let it sit in for a second. Let the camera absorb the quality.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Dude, throw it in the sink, dude. Oh. I say, don't be like a Nick.
Holy fuck. My lips.
Where you going, Justin?
Oh shit. Ow.
Yeah, your bunghole is what you call roasted. Matt Castle. Here to save the Chiefs.
You guys are bad people.
That's what you call one of those miniature red peppers.
Oh shit. I'm gonna brush my teeth.
That ain't gonna do nothing, dude. That's just mint. Mint's gonna burn your mouth some more. How much money to make you eat another one?
No money in the world.
I'm not gonna lie, I wouldn't have done that for $100. But you did, so That's That's really fucking hilarious on this camera.
That might be. That might be the biggest mistake of my entire life.
No way! Make it stop!
My stomach hurts just from laughing. Dusty, you said it was it's a miniature
Banana.
red pepper.
Oh God!
I'm so posting this shit on Facebook. It's over and done with. With my expert commentator status and the fact that Justin hasn't gotten up from the sink for over like 4 minutes straight. Dude, who's Matt Castle?
Best quarterback in the NFL.
I bet Matt Castle could have eaten 10 of these peppers.
The milk is like soothing for like a second, and then it just goes away.
Yeah, I know.
Here. Oh God! This is the worst mistake I ever made.
I told you what they were at work, dude. I guess we're not having cereal tomorrow morning. Justin, are you stuck?
Oh. Oh. The oil won't go away.
I know.
Oh.
Dude, the guy who grew those peppers is gonna love you for this video. Are you gonna pay my water bill?
I'm like,
Bro, you alright?
yeah,
Dude, just drink some milk. Drink some more milk.
this is good.
I think I'm okay.
Oh my God.
Is it over?
No, it's not gone. It's just milder.
Are you about 7 minutes into it?
Oh. My lips are on fire.
Yeah, mine too.
Oh. This is horrible.